Hello everyone, my name is Harsh, and if you are following me in this journey, first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to teach you something. Now, I am assuming you have followed me in this journey and you have also gone through the concepts that I taught you in this course, which means now you have a good foundation of block state management, and the only thing required is a practice to master the block state management. So, how you can do that? So, you can try some real life projects and try to implement block in it. Or you have already created any project, so you can even implement block in that. So, in the beginning of this course, you might remember I said once we complete this journey, we will be moving to the next step, that is an e-commerce application. So as per the discussion, we started with the block fundamentals, then we moved to the block architecture, and now that last part called as e-commerce app. So I will be creating a separate course for it, and now I am little bit researching about e-commerce application UI. So if you have any suggestion regarding the UI of the application, you can let me know in the comments, or you can simply mail me out. So that's it. I will try to start the course as soon as possible, but you can expect a delay of around a month, okay, due to some schedule of mine. So once again, thank you for joining me in this journey. I am grateful. So see you in the next course. Till then, bye bye.